Hi guys, my name is Baspss and welcome to another SPSS tutorial on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a look at the Kruskal-Wallis test, which is the non-parametric equivalent to the one-way ANOVA. So we use the one-way ANOVA or the Kruskal-Wallis test when we're comparing more than two groups on a specific dependent variable. So today we're going to have a look at the length grouping variable and the religious dependent variable. And length says how long you've been going to church. So 1 has been going to church for a short time, 2 has been going to church for a medium time, and 3 has been going to church for a long time. And the religious factor is how religious you are on a scale of 1 to 10. And we use the Kruskal-Wallis test when the data isn't normally distributed. So if your data is, if your variables are either ordinally distributed instead of nominally, if your or if your data has a small sample size, for example, 21 is quite small. So then in that case you have to do a non-parametric test, and in this case the Kruskal-Wallis test. So if you go to variable view instead of data view in the left bottom, variable view, you can also see that the measurement types are ordinal, because both length and religious are ordinal variables, not nominal variables. So if you go back to data view, how this test works is that SPSS assigns ranks to those groups, so to the dependent variables. So the lowest score, in this case 1, gets rank 1. The second lowest score gets rank 2, and the third lowest rank which is score 3 gets rank 3, well, etc., all the way up to 9, which gets rank 9. And then what SPSS does, it combines all those ranks for the three groups. So it combines all the ranks of length, it combines all the ranks of group 2, and it combines all the ranks of group 3. And then it divides it by the amount of respondents in the group to get to a mean rank. And then SPSS compares those mean ranks, whether those differ significantly or not. And luckily SPSS does that automatically. Well, where does it do that? You go to Analyze, Non-Parametric Test, Independent Samples. Then you press Scan Data. And then in your objective, you can select Customize Analysis. In fields, you can select the test field, which is the dependent variable, which in this case is religious. And the grouping variable is the independent variable, is length. So we select length. And then in settings, you can choose a test and you press Customize Test. And then you can select the Kruskal-Wallis test over here by checking this box. Test options we will leave at a significance level of 0.05. And user missing values we don't take into account. Then we press paste. Then we go to the syntax screen, which is over here. And then we select the non-parametric test and select the big green play button. And then we can go to the bottom to the Kruskal-Wallis test. And it's first of all it says whether there is a significant difference between the groups. Well, that is a 0.000, which is smaller than the alpha of 0.05. So there is a significant difference between the groups. And the test statistic of the Kruskal-Wallis test is 18.172, which is significant. And if we then scroll down and go to the pairwise comparisons of length, this is the post hoc test. And we can see that sample 1 and 3 differ significantly, that pair 2 and 3, so length 2 and length 3, also differ significantly with a significance level of smaller than 0.01, and that the length 1 and 2 differ with a significance level of 0.033, which is also smaller than the alpha of 0.05. So in this case, all the three groups differ significantly from each other. Okay, so that's the end of the Kruskal-Wallis test. It's actually quite easy, hopefully. So if this video was helpful to you, then please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new, because more amazing SPSS videos are on their way. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Ciao.